Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, where everything is made with love. So today I'm here with word number 7 to me, and it is word of the day Create with Becca, and this is my 7th video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that there, and we're going to do November 10th, and the word is circles. So we are going to make some circles on here. So what I'm going to do is to take my glue bottle and my pencil and start making some circles. Whoops. Let's erase. Well, we can connect, make a line, go down, connect a dot here, a circle here. And then we're going to get something else that's round, that's a bit smaller, and put right in between. Yeah, just a makeup brush, but it's also the brush I use to clean off my desk when I need to. So, next circle will be this bottle here, my paint bottle. You can do anything that is round or whatever, you know. I'm just doing, you can freehand them, you can do whatever you want. Like that. And this is just a Princess Diana coin. Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to start freehanding. They're not going to come out as straight, but that's alright. Like this. Make them look like they're connected here and come out there. Okay, I'm going to do that here also. Connect here, there, there, and there. Make it look like it's coming from within the circle. So I'm going to connect this one, these two, and then turn it and connect here. And that is my circles, guys. This is for November 10th. This is video 7. So please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be safe, be crafty, and remember, we make everything here made with love in every stitch. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.